Qbees.
Listen up, Qbees. The game that we will learn today is called checkers. Does anybody know how to play checkers?
Well, I do.
That's great, Q. Together we will teach Qbees how to play this beautiful game.
All right, let's play checkers. Oh, ouch.
So, the checkers game is even older than chess. I saw that you were pretty good at chess. That's how you brought me here. You had a very good teacher. We will play checkers on the same board that you played chess. The classic 8x8 square board with dark and light squares.
But this time, we will play only on the black squares.
That's right, checkers is played only on the dark squares. Q, please help me out with the pieces.
What? Pieces? I don't have any pieces.
I have the pieces, but you have to help me. Please press my eyebrows.
Ooh, your eyebrows? Sure. This is amazing.
I know. Robots are amazing. This is it. The stage is set now. Q, please load down the black squares.
Okay, done. Now, we are ready to play checkers.
Oh my God, Q. You are always in a hurry. Every game has rules. We have to explain checkers rules to the Qbees.
Oh, I have an idea. We should play a demonstration game. Me against you. Q versus R. Ha, ha, ha. What do you say, R? Do you accept my challenge?
Fly low, Q. I accept your challenge. Let's play this game. Qbees, we should split in 2 teams. So, whose side you wanna be? Team R or Team Q?
Looks like we have our teams. R. In checkers, darker color moves first. So, you have the first move.
Sadie, Fury, Sick. Let's open the game. As I said, in checkers we move only forward, diagonally, on the black squares.
Each player moves forward in order to capture his opponent's pieces.
This is my first move.
Okay. Team Q on the move. What do you say? Qbees? Yes. Okay. Good idea. Let's do that. Both done happy.
It's our turn to move now. Let's see all the possible moves. These are the pieces we can move, and these are the squares where we can move them. What move should we do? Okay. Let's do it.
Okay. Pieces that we can move. And possibilities. Let's make the next move. Happy? Will you do the honors?
Well, that's a nice jump. I see that you are trying to flank us. Qbees, we have to defend that flank. Okay, Sadie, this move is yours. Do it. Good job, Sadie.
Qbees. We should do the wow move. Well done, wow. Thank you. It's your time to move, R.
Flanking, flanking. Nice strategy, Q. Sick. Are you ready? Now, that flank is closed. Q.
Wow. Let's move the piece behind you. Nice and clear. Now, I am very curious. What's your next move? R?
Okay, Q. You cornered me. This move is complicated. Let's not forget that this is a demonstration game.
Qbees, pay attention and learn, 'cause you are about to see how capturing is done. In checkers, to capture a piece, hop over it to diagonal spaces. Of course, the space on the other side of the checker has to be empty so that you can move into it. Exactly like here.
Come on, Q. Do it. Do your first capture.
Woohoo! First capture!
Don't be sad, Qbees. Watch my next move. You will be amazed. Okay, Q. You made your first capture. But now, I will explain the double jump move. So, if after making a capture, a piece is in a position to make another capture, either along the same diagonal or a different one, it must do so. All is part of the same turn. Beat that, Q. It's your turn now.
My turn, my turn, my turn. Is our turn to capture. Oh, Team Q equals the score. Is to love.
To love. That's nice, Q. Our next move is this.
Mirror, mirror. We prepare the next capture.
Qbees, we should secure that position by moving this piece. Sadie, can you do it? Good job, Sadie. Now, that piece is secured.
We should regroup here and there. What do you say, Qbees? Okay. That's right. Yes. Okay. Qbees, that's a good strategy. Let's do that.
Excuse me, Q. May I kindly remind you that we are playing checkers, not chess.
All right. All right. Team Q made the move. It's your turn.
Of course, Qbees. We will continue to secure our positions. Nice and quick.
Secure positions? Is that a strategy? LP, let's secure. Happy. Happy and secure. Well done.
Sick! This move is yours. That's good.
They are preparing something. Be alert. Okay, R. Let's say that we will fall into your trap. Qbees. Sometimes a good strategy needs some sacrifices.
Come on, Q. We don't need that much drama. It's just a piece that you lose. Enjoy the game.
Don't worry, Qbees. We're still in the game. Trust me. You enjoyed playing. I enjoy winning. It's all good as long as everybody enjoys something.
Okay, Q. Let's enjoy a quick move by Team R. Fury. This one is yours.
Fear, you should do this move.
I am happy. Now we're playing faster. That's my style.
Faster, faster, we can play. But strategy and teamwork are more important. What do you say, Qbees? All right, let's do that.
Congratulations, Q. You just opened the way for a double jump capture.
Haste makes waste, they say. In your hurry to make a double capture, you open the gate for us to also make a double jump capture, and something more. Come on, R. Now explain to Qbees. What happens when a piece reaches the row on the opposite side of the board?
When a piece reaches the opposite end of the board, also called King's Row, it is promoted to a king. Kings may move or capture either backwards or forwards, but otherwise behave the same way as ordinary pieces.
I may add that, usually, the crowning is made with another piece on top, not with a real crown. It's your turn, R.
Okay, Q. This is our move.
As we said, kings can move forward and backward. We will move it backward.
Unfortunately, Q, you must say goodbye to your first king.
You! Team Q makes another capture.
Don't worry, Qbees. We are still in the lead. We can win this game.
I think it's time to have another king. Here we go, His Majesty, the King.
I must admit, Q, you are a very passionate player. Sick, will you do the next move, please?
The White King attacks again.
Take it easy, Q. Your gameplay is tough. A trap here, another trap there. I have to be careful with every move.
You! Team Q makes another capture. Hit, hooray!
I don't know what's your strategy, but I know that your second king is captured. Ha, ha, ha.
R. He who laughs last, laughs best.
Your strategy keeps giving me reasons to laugh. Bam. Somebody is going to lose.
You are right, R. Somebody is going to lose. That's you. The triple jump move.
Oh, my God.
Bam!
The game is lost.
Oh, come on, R. Don't be sad. It's just a game. Let's continue playing.
I lost the game. I see no reason to continue playing.
Come on, R. Games are like that.
I quit.
Even if you're not winning, finishing the game helps you learn, have fun, and get better for next time. Plus, when you finish, your friends will see that you're a good sport, and they'll want to play with you again.
All right, Qbees. I will not quit. First Red King. Ah.
The first Red King indeed. My king is the third. Back to the game. Arya's on the move.
Sadie, will you move the Red King backward, please? Oh, I see. You are afraid the Red King will be captured by the white piece. It makes sense, but what use has a king if it stays at the edge of the board?
It seems that we will make another capture at some point.
Qbees made the move. You missed the opportunity to capture my king. I will continue my attack.
Maybe you should continue to learn how to play checkers. Game over. R. Team Q wins. Yoo-hoo!
Congratulations, Q. Well played. It was a beautiful game.
Well, thank you, R. It was indeed a beautiful game.
Now I know strategy is more important than fast playing, and quitting is not an option. I am happy. Qbees are happy. You are happy. Playing with friends makes everybody happy.
Oh my god! What is this?
The lights are down.
We need some light. R.
Please stay calm. Is everybody all right?
R. Please do something. Do you have a flashlight?
We are the Qbees.